Hi friends, welcome to Tutorial S, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install PostgreSQL and also how we will make connection with this PostgreSQL with Coordinator 4. So first let's download latest version of PostgreSQL. Let's go here, and then since it's my Windows machine, so I will click on this, and here it is saying download installer. So for this Windows 64-bit, this one is supported, but these are not supported. In my case, my machine is this 64-bit, so I will just click on here and download the latest version. Yeah, the downloading is started. So now here double click on this, and the installation will start. Okay, from here now click next and then next. So let's check all this. Next, I'm just putting here admin and admin user and password. Then the port number is 5433. Let it be the default. Then the configuration will be here, so let's keep it default as well. Next. So the installation is started now. Okay, so finally it got installed. So let's click here. Let's keep it this one. Next. We can cancel it, it's not required. Okay, so that's it friend. PostgreSQL installation. Now if you want to check, then I'll go here on apps, then somewhere must be here. Yes, this one. So now let's click on this one. This is PostgreSQL management tool, like PHP my admin. Let's enter password. We have put here admin, then okay. Now go to server, then we will connect with this one. Let's click here, and you can see now it's connected, this one. So we can connect. I had installed this version 10 also, so 10 is successfully running here. So this one, admin, let's save password, and now this one is also connected, our latest version. And here inside this, if you go, then schema, under schema you can see the tables. Currently there is no any table, but here we can create tables also. So that's it in this video, how to install PostgreSQL and how to use PG admin. So thank you friends. If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.